Here's everything you need to know about concrete patio cost in 2026. Real numbers from NC. Here's what you need to know. What a concrete patio actually costs in 2026, broken down by size, finish, and prep, with real numbers from jobs we've poured across North Carolina. Quick answer. A basic broom-finish concrete patio in North Carolina costs $8 to $14 per square foot installed in 2026. Stamped or stained finishes add $4 to $10 per square foot. A typical 16 by 20 backyard patio, 320 square feet, runs $2,560 to $4,480 for broom finish, or $5,120 to $7,680 for stamped. Site access, subgrade condition, and finish choice are the three biggest variables in the final price. Moving on to what is actually in the price of a concrete patio. When a contractor hands you a number, that number is a stack of line items. Understanding which line items move the price is the difference between a fair quote and a confusing one. Here is how a $3,500 patio actually breaks down on a real Charlotte job we poured this spring. The 320 square foot broom finish patio in Plaza Midwood, priced at $3,520, included $620 of excavation and demolition. The old paver patio had to come out, $480 of crushed stone base spread and compacted to 4 inches, $1,180 of concrete material at 3,500 psi mixed with fiber reinforcement, $920 of finished labor for the pour, screed, broom, and tooling of control joints, and $320 of mobilization and equipment. The square foot price worked out to $11. There was no markup on materials and no hidden fees. If you ask any reputable NC contractor to itemize their quote, the breakdown will look similar. Next up, cost per square foot by finish type. Finish choice is the single biggest factor a homeowner controls. Here is the 2026 range we see across our service area, including Charlotte, Mooresville, Raleigh, Cary, and the Triad markets. Broom finish, $8 to $14 per square foot. The default. Concrete is screed smooth, edges are tooled, and a soft bristle broom is dragged across the surface for traction. Most NC patios are broom finish. Smooth trowel finish, $9 to $15 per square foot. Slightly more labor than broom finish for a glass smooth surface. Looks beautiful indoors and under covered patios where rain will not touch it, but slick when wet. Not recommended for open patios in the Carolinas. Stamped concrete, $14 to $22 per square foot. Pattern stamps press a brick, slate, flagstone, or wood plank texture into wet concrete. Integral color and a release agent give the finished surface a real stone look at a fraction of the natural stone price. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.